Burano has a new Deluxe Polygel starter kit. Keep watching and I'll show you what's inside. Welcome back to my channel. Before you leave, make sure that you've subscribed and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to see all my new videos. Okay, so I received this kit from Burano and it is available on Amazon. I will leave you the link below. The first thing the kit comes with is instructions. So it shows you the various ways that you can apply the polygel, the various ways that you can use the glitter that's in the kit, and it also shows you how you can use the crystals that's in the kit. So the first thing that is in the kit is the not dual forms, I'm sorry. The first thing that's in the kit are these paper forms. So they're medium thickness, not too thick, not too thin. These are the same style as the pink ones. They're just clear. So I know the pink ones are pretty popular. You also get 4 different colors of crystals in 3 different sizes each. So I kind of do a close-up here to show you all the colors that the crystals pick up. So you do get, like I said, you do get 4 different styles. One is a clear and the other 3, I think those are called AB crystals, the ones that pick up the light. So anyway, so there are 3 glitters. You get a silver, a royal blue, and a lavender. The glitters are a mix. It's actually glitter mix, and it's fine glitter and hexagons. And this is actually a good amount of glitter. Like, a little bit of glitter goes a long way, so you can get a lot of use out of this glitter, and you could actually mix the colors and, you know, kind of make another glitter mix if you wanted to. Okay, so the dual forms, they come in 12 different sizes, and I was playing with the thumbs because I believe I have a wide nail bed on my thumb. After looking at these dual forms, I realized that I don't. Or maybe I do, these dual forms just are, you know, inclusive to everybody, wide nail beds and all. So the first 3 sizes, the first 3 biggest sizes, were still too big for my thumb, and I really think my nail beds are wide. Like when I would try and use tips for my thumb, I would use the biggest size, and sometimes it wouldn't even cover from sidewall to sidewall. So also this kit comes with a 180 grit file. It comes with the polygel brush. That's the gel brush on one side, the picker on the other side. I think the gel brush is actually a size 6. So you also get a pretty large container of the slip solution, 7 milliliter bottles of the top and base coat, and you get 7 colors of polygel. These are 15 milliliter tubes, so you could probably get about 2 to 3 full sets out of each tube, and 7 different colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you for a couple seconds and come back, and we're gonna talk about the colors. I'm doing swatches here, but I'm actually doing swatches on the swatch sticks that I'm gonna keep. So I do, on the swatch sticks I keep, I do use a base coat. This base coat is a little thick, not in a bad way. So it's a little thick, and also the odor, well, I shouldn't say odor, so it's not a strong smell to the base coat. So the first color that we're going to swatch is the nude, and with this polygel color and with all of the colors, every single color is soft. It's easy to come out of the tube, and it's easy to manipulate into place. When I say soft, don't think I'm saying that the polygel's runny. It's not. It stays in place. It's just easy to manipulate. The second color is soft pink. So it is a translucent or sheer. My mouth was trying to say sheer and translucent at the same time. So it's sheer translucent pink. I found with the translucent colors, they are still soft. They're just a little bit stickier than the opaque colors. So again, this is the soft pink. This color is the light apricot. It is an opaque peachy nude color, and it's soft like the other ones. It's easy to spread. And the other thing is, like, when these colors were coming off of the picker that I was using, they weren't getting stuck and there wasn't like a string. Like, some polygel is extremely sticky, and when you're trying to like take it off the picker, put it on the nail or your swatch stick, you get like a string of polygel. I did not have that at all with this polygel. And also at some point in the video, I actually just stopped using the picker and just squeezed the tube right onto the swatch stick. Okay, so this next color is pink, and I got a little bit too much on this swatch stick, but it's so soft, like, and I'm used to using polygel that's not as soft, so I'm squeezing a little bit too hard. But yeah, I got a lot on this, but it's a really pretty bubblegum pink, opaque polygel, soft, easy to manipulate, not sticky. So like I said before, the opaque polygels aren't very sticky at all. So this is the easiest white polygel that I've ever worked with. Yes, I know I'm doing it on a small swatch stick, but I know all of you ladies have used white polygel that does not move. It's like hard, it's like bubblegum that's been sitting like somewhere for a long time. Like this this polygel, this white polygel is the truth. It was so easy to spread on that swatch stick. It was not sticky. I'm slightly motivated to do a full set of white polygel nails. So the next color is what color is this? Oh, so this is the Magic Purple. Unfortunately, this was mislabeled to Magic Orange. So if you do for some reason get the first round of tubes from this kit, it may be mislabeled. Hopefully they are able to fix the problem before they ship out a lot. So the Magic Orange and the Magic Purple are thermal changing polygels. So when they come out of the light, both of them are a natural clear color. So not a extremely clear polygel, but kind of the cloudy natural clear colors of polygel that we've seen. So the Magic Orange and the Magic Purple are the thermal changing ones. And you're going to see me use, I grabbed the Magic Orange forgetting that it was actually the purple. So anyways, so what I found so far is the opaque colors are less sticky than the translucent colors, but it's still not extremely sticky. There are some polygels that you have to have your brush like saturated, and every couple pats you're putting new more slip solution on it. So they weren't extremely sticky, they were just stickier than the other than the opaque ones. Okay, so I'm top coating my swatch sticks as I always do, but also it's a good example of how the polygel I'm sorry, how the top coat works. So the top coat isn't as thin. Sorry, the top coat isn't as thick as the base coat was, but it has more of a stronger smell to it. It's not bad, it's just stronger than the base coat. So the base coat's a little bit thicker than the top coat. So what I'm going to do is figure out what I want to do. I'm going to do a full set of nails later on this week. But as far as a starter kit goes, I didn't start off with a kit. So I think this has a little bit of everything that you can kind of play with, get a little creative with. Also, I do know, just based off other people's reviews, is that this is a good quality polygel. Oh, I forgot to mention, when I pulled the white out of the lamp, I had another swatch stick stuck on it, so that's why it has that little dent in it. So that was my fault. That's not a reflection of the polygel. I just had my stuff crammed in my lamp. So again, I think this is a great starter kit. I'm gonna come back later on this week. Well, actually today's Wednesday, so I'll probably come in Saturday or Sunday and do a full kit with this. And definitely leave me any comments below, or what color combinations would you like to see me use. I am open for any artistic feedback. I really think this kit is worth it. I will leave the link down below for Amazon. Definitely, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please also check out the link to my giveaway video down below. It is still open. And thanks for watching. See you guys later on this week.